With an intense sports car persona and assertive styling, the A110S joins the A110 Pure and A110 Legend in the Alpine model range. Assuming a position at the top of the lineup, the A110S is a lightweight coupe characterized by high engine power, a focused chassis setup and refined design elements. With styling elements all of its own, the A110S is clearly distinguished from the rest of the A110 model range. New exterior design touches such as flag details on the rearmost pillars in carbon fiber and orange, black Alpine script across the rear, orange brake calipers and version-specific GT race wheels with a dark finish also mirror the car's focused character. The A110S looks purposeful with its lower ride height, while an optional grist-on air paint in a matte finish, exclusive to the A110S, further underlines the car's sporting nature. Within the cabin, orange stitching replaces the signature blue stitching found in other versions of the A110. Sophisticated black Dinamica upholstery for the roof lining, sun visors and door panels perfectly underlines the new version's uncompromising personality. The seats, also trimmed in Dinamica, are saddled items that weigh just 13.1 kilograms apiece. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather and Dinamica with an orange 12 o'clock marker and stitching to match. The pedals and footrests are lightweight aluminium, while the cabin is neatly set off by carbon fiber and orange flag emblems to match those found on the outside of the car. A110S buyers will have the option of upgrading to a carbon fiber roof in a gloss finish, which not only highlights the car's sporting nature, but actually reduces the car's overall weight by 1.9 kilograms. Other options include lightweight Fuchs forged alloy wheels and a carbon fiber finish for the saddled seats. Standard equipment includes a focal audio system, Alpine telemetrics and front and rear parking sensors. The A110S has been engineered to deliver precise handling response and exacting high-speed stability. Sophisticated styling flourishes inside and out, as well the use of high-end materials such as carbon fiber and Dinamica upholstery amplify the car's purposeful nature. At its core a true Alpine, the A110S is a mid-engine two-seat sports car that delivers 292 horsepower and weighs 1,114 kilograms. It is engaging to drive at all speeds while still being comfortable in everyday use. Approachable and undemanding to drive, the A110S is faithful to Alpine's underlying principles of lightweight engineering, compact dimensions and performance through agility. From suspension setup to stability control calibration, and from wheel geometry to tire construction and compound, the A110S's chassis has been honed to deliver an intense driving experience. At its core, the A110S uses the same very lightweight and compact aluminium body structure as in any A110, but the unique configuration of the chassis gives the new version a distinct dynamic character. The new coil springs are stiffer by 50%, and the dampers have been tuned accordingly. The anti-roll bars, hollow to minimize weight, are firmer by 100%. The lowered ride height, reduced by 4 mm, optimizes the car's center of gravity and lends the A110S excellent high-speed stability and instantaneous steering response. The bump stops have been tuned for ultimate body control. Overall, the Focus chassis setup results in a high level of handling precision and dynamic efficiency. Priced €66,500 before options, the A110S is available to order immediately. Deliveries are due to begin before the end of the year.